Hey guys, it's Candy. Yes, today I'm stopping in with a quick video because I'm about to show you guys my hair from Crochet Braids Plus. Yeah, I have it all bundled up in a mesh bag. And guys, this is the third time I'm going to be reusing this same hair. Yeah, I keep washing it and putting it up for another use because it remains in great condition, right? And so all I want to show you guys, it smells so good. Yeah, I was sure to wash it and condition it after I took it out, and so it's all prepped and ready to go. So I'm gonna install it and we can both decide together, if we think it still looks fabulous. I remember the last time I was asking you guys in a poll, should I just cut it out or should I try to push for removing it to reuse it? And you guys unanimously, resoundingly agreed that I should remove it and save it for reuse. So that's what we are doing. All right, so again, I already have my hair braided up. My hair has actually been braided up for a few days. Well, maybe 4 days. Yes. So I'm gonna go right ahead and start the installation. And again, guys, I said before, this is not a tutorial. So I'm gonna just install the hair and maybe come and show you guys how it looks. I just wanted to do a show and tell type of vibe with today's video, just so that you guys can know or determine for yourself if you think that the hair is worth reusing, or you can see the fact that even though the hair is on a little bit of the pricier side, relatively speaking, it can still you can still get your money's worth from it because of the fact that it actually holds up. All right, it holds up to the point where you can get multiple use from it. Third time installing, and I'm just gonna continue and I will be back. So just a quick progress report. This is how it is looking so far. You guys have the upper hand because I have not seen what the back look like. You're seeing it first. So yeah, that's what's going on in the back so far. But I'm just talking about how the hair still look good. I'm stuck on that. Forget the installation. Forget any of that. It's just about the fact that the hair looks still so fresh. All right, so what I did do and I didn't show you guys on camera was I went ahead and I had to sort the pieces of hair into 3 different bundles, because when I did install it I had kind of cut the back. So some of the pieces were shorter, some were a little bit longer, and then we have the very long pieces like this one. So I had to take the time and just sort them into those 3 piles so that I could install it in that same way, instead of having to take out. It would have been a disaster if I tried to install it without first separating it, because I'm starting in the back, so I need to make sure that I have the right size pieces or the right length pieces to put in the back. And so yeah, that 15 minutes to sort it is well worth the sacrifice. So yeah, so now I'm going to pretty much lay off. This is what I have left of the medium length. I did install all of the shorter length in the back, so I'm gonna pause with the medium length first and start working on the longer pieces, just so I have an idea and make sure that the volume is what it needs to be in the front before I move to the rest of the hair. All right, so just a little yeah, since I'm here, let me show you guys how I install it. I just insert the crochet tool downwards, attach the crochet loop or hook into the loop of the hair, close it, pull it through. So while it is still in the hook, I attach the end to the crochet hook, close the hook, and pull it through the loop. And 1 knot is all that is needed. Like Literally. Why not? Like, who can talk to me with this hair? Come on now. If you guys have been sleeping on crochet braids plus, I promise you, you need to awaken. All right, because this hair is, I mean, is not human hair. Let me put it out there. It's not human hair. However, it is handmade, hand twisted. These are micro twisted pieces of hair. And so it is definitely does behave as if it's human hair. It looks very natural and it's reusable. Like, did I mention third time using the same hair. All right. And yeah, and guys, by the way, speaking of crochet braids bros, so I am doing a giveaway, yes, but that's from my local peeps, because I am actually offering the giveaway for my clients. Yes, so all my clients who book in the month of December, automatically, if you book and get your service completed in the month of December, you do automatically get entered into the giveaway. And the giveaway is actually for a free hairstyle with the hair included. This hair, to be specific, this brand, this type of hair, you do get to choose your color and your length. It does come in 3 different lengths. And so yeah, if you're in my Treasure Coast area in Florida, come on down so that you guys can cop some of this hair and get it installed for free. Yes. Anyway, guys, talking too much. Let me continue with the process. And I believe by way of progress report, this might be the only one. And I will touch base when we are fully done. Okay? Guys, I am done. And this is how the style turned out. If I'm in love one more time. Guys, I feel like this hair gets better with time. Like, I'm not even joking about it. Look at how nice this hair. This hair looks like it is being installed for the very first time. When I tell you guys, 3 times, this is the 3rd time we're using the same hair, washing the hair, putting it away, and now installing it again. And this is definitely, again, I stand by my statement that this is one of my, if not my all-time favorite crochet hair by way of kinky curly look. Yeah, hands down. Love the color blend. This is the Ombre Caramel. Yeah, one of my absolute favorite colors. Love the dark transitioning into the blonde look. And yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. This is it. So I'm gonna leave the link down below for the hair in case you guys would actually like to explore the possibilities of using this hair. You will not regret it. Again, this is not curly hair, and so it doesn't tangle, it doesn't frizz easily. These are actually micro mini twisted, yeah, individual twists. Yeah, that's how it is. And guys, thank you so much for watching. This is a short one, not making today's video very long. Again, it wasn't a tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys in a show and tell type of style how my hair turned out. Yeah, after reusing it for the 3rd time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I post. Love you guys, and I will definitely talk to you on my next one. Bye.